So in this video, I'm going to talk about the missed call testback service provided in GoHighLevel. As a business owner, you know that every lead is important, but it's not always possible to answer every call that you receive. That's where missed call testback comes in. With missed call testback, GoHighLevel will automatically send a text message to any caller who leaves a message on your business phone number. The text message can be customized to include your business name, website, and any other information you want to include. This is a great way to stay connected with potential customers and to follow up with leads that you might have otherwise missed. So in order to set up missed call testback, just head over to your settings and then under business profile, you scroll down and there you will see the missed call testback feature. Just enable it and then you can customize this message as per your need. Once we have done this, just click on save and you are good to go. So if you are looking for a way to improve your business's bottom line, Miss Call Testback is a great option. It's easy to set up and use and it's affordable.